Yo, hello guys. Today, ipapakilala ko sa inyo itong bagong project na pwede nyong pasukin dito kay Upwork. So, this is one of the best project to start with, lalong-lalo na sa gustong magkaroon ng magandang portfolio yung kanilang Upwork account. So, I found one of the project available right now in Upwork. It is a beta tester for AI Humanizer tool. So, this one will only pay small amount of dollars an hour. But this is not a long term, but this is a quick, short survey or review on a tool that make your profile as a decent landing job page. So, ang kagandahan dito mga idol, no, magkakaroon kayo ng magandang portfolio. So, i-review kayo ng client regarding dun sa ginawa nyong pag-review sa kanilang product. At the same time, syempre, magkakaroon ka rin ng payment kahit papano. So, ito yung kanilang job role na hinahanap, beta tester for AI Humanizer tool. And yun, basically ito yung website nila. So basically dito, yan, i-review nyo lang tong website na to nila. So ang concept ng kanilang website is to convert AI content, which is yung mga content, let's say for example, dito kay ChatGPT, nanghingi ako ng context o kaya content kay ChatGPT. So this one is more likely na para siyang AI. So ang concept nung kanilang dine-develop na website o yung kanilang mismong AI is to make the AI content into a humanized content. Yung hindi siya magmukhang robotic. So yun yung pinaka main purpose ng website nila. So ito ang gagawin natin is yun, i-review nyo to, i-check nyo kung ano pa yung pwedeng ma-improve ng AI na ito. So magbibigay kayo ng feedback and so on and so forth. Yan. So rito I can't give you the exact amount kung magkano yung pwede nyo kitain dito. Pero depende sa i-offer sa'yo ng kliyente. O kayo na yung mismo mag-offer. Pero ang kagandahan dito mga idol na, so this is a good start na magkaroon kayo ng kliyente at magkaroon kayo ng, syempre, background. At the same time, yung portfolio nyo, yung profile nyo. So, unti-unti na magkaroon ng experience. So, napaka-importante kasi na mayroong kahit pa paano experience dun sa inyong profile, no? Like this one. So, once magkaroon na kasi kayo ng experience sa portfolio nyo, and it will give you a 5-star review. So, tataas yung chances na makakuha tayo ng maraming client. So, yun, magkakaroon kayo ng 100% job success rate, magiging top rated pa kayo, and so on and so forth. So, yun yung kagandahan. Kaya mga idol, no, ito, try nyo na, take advantage na to. So, kailangan nila ng around 100 to 200 beta testers na mag-check ng kanilang website. So, maliit man yung kikitain nyo rito, ang habol natin dito is magkaroon kayo ng experience and then magkaroon ng job background yung inyong Upwork account o inyong portfolio. So, ito may mga bago pang project na naglalabasan dito. Pwede nyo i-check from time to time yan. Katulad dito, round circular label. Check natin. So, ito siya. Okay. So, try natin i-check yung mga attachment. Oh, okay. So, yan yung mga attachment niya. So, ito yating ipapatag ng client. So, yan yung ipapatag ng client. O, I guess nagpapagawa siya ng logo. Okay. Nagpapagawa ng logo to, idol. Yan. So, marami pa rito mga idol na check natin sa ating best matches. So, sa best matches natin, may mga data entry or image comparison na project rule, math image labeling, yan. So, data annotator specialist. So, this one is a better option, I think. Okay. This is a short-term project lang to. Short-term project. Okay. Kung matatanggap ka rito, mababa lang bayad nito. $10 lang. Fixed price. And then after that, so magkakaroon ka ng experience o record sa iyong Upwork Gap Background experience. Data record label scout. Ito bago lang, 38 minutes ago. So we run a record label in the music industry. We have a tools that is streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Music. We are looking for a new artist to sign to the label based